is the last day
Yes.
of the year 2025.
Yes.
Today is the last weekend of the year 2025. I decree as a prophet, by the oil that calling my head, as an evangelist, I decree as a prophet, that be the last of 2025. Where we miracles, testimony, and as you bend him, but that the angels of God will release them.
My God say, make I tell you, say, power will struggle you this year. He not go struggle you next year. I say he not go struggle you next year. Power that struggled you this year. Power that drag your breakthrough with you. I say it will not struggle you this year. It will not struggle you this year. It will not stop you this year. Shada emelada here.
As you are waving your hands, I decree the God of 1159 will appear. As you are waving those hands, whatever that is remaining for you to achieve, there will be a full presence. Wave those hands. Wave those hands. Waving your hands. I know the God of 1159. Wave those hands very well. One phone call, one mail, one message. We appear. The Bible said, it said Daniel prayed. When Daniel prayed for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, so the Bible said one day God was strolling around heaven. He was looking at the earth, so he was checking his children, and he discovered that one of the servants was he prayed one prayer, and he asked, he said, Angel Michael, I thought you have released the prayer. He said, I've released it too. I thought he has bought the car. He said, I released the car. He said, I thought he has built the house. He said, I've released the house. I thought he has gotten married. He said, I've released the marriage. I thought he had children. He said, I've released the children. He said, so why is this praying one prayer? And the angel said, I've released it. And when they look, they saw the third heaven. The queen of Pasha is the one that sees the prayer. Is the one that does what? He sees the testimony of people. So when God releases an answer, they sees the prayer. So that was why in Revelation chapter 1, when God discovered that the people that all people testimony, in Revelation chapter 1, the Bible said, I will quote the prayer of the saints with fire. So when they want to touch your answer, when they see fire, they will come out their body. When they want to touch your marriage, when they see fire, they will remove their body. I prophesy, every prayer you have been praying from January this year, every prayer you have been praying from February this year, every prayer you have been praying from March this year, it will be answered. I said it will be answered. I said it will be answered. I said it will be answered. You don't serve a dead God. You serve a mighty God. He's the same yesterday. He's the same today. He's the same forever. When God says yes, no man can say no. I prophesy, anyone with the loudest amen, every of your testimony that I be holding from January, I thought close for the year. I thought my friend, I thought my PA, I said that son of close for the year. Up the day before yesterday, a man called me on the phone. He said, oh, to give me your account. Then I knew I'm not close for the year. When a lot entered, I said, the God of 1159, I want to prophesy. God will give you a testimony. Shut I am a 7 times here.